You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftacademy.com. www.netsoftacademy.com.
Hello and welcome to scenario number 8, implementing IT asset management in the Jira Service Management. Let's move ahead and perform this scenario. To perform this scenario, we need to log in using our primary account. As you can see, I am logged in using my primary account. We'll click on Jira Service Management. Top left corner next to Home, click on 4 blocks and then click on Jira Service Management. In left panel, click on More and then click on Assets. Here we are going to create a schema. Create schema. Under IT Asset Management Template, click on Use Template. Use Template. Here we are going to type Asset Management and we will add a description as Asset Management. We'll click on Create Schema. Now we will click on Create Schema. This might take some time. And from this is Asset Management. Here is the schema, a structure. Okay, so Asset Management that we have created. Now let's move ahead and perform certain tasks such as object type creation. Next to schema tree, click on plus icon and give the name as Software Assets. Name, icon, click on drop box and type here software box. And then parent we will take hardware assets. And we will give the description again as software assets. Software assets, click on create. This is done. Now let's move ahead. On software assets, we have 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots. Click on object type settings. Select inheritance tab. Make sure that pass all attribute to child object is selected and then select set this object as abstract. Now let's go back to software asset. We are performing next step. In the left panel, click schema. Here we are in schema. We are in schema, asset management. Okay. And now in left panel, make sure that you click on schema, then click on asset management. And in software assets, click on plus icon. We will give the name as licensed software and icon we are going to give as software installer. Parent is software asset. Click on description also. We'll say licensed software only. Click on create. It's done. Now under software asset we have licensed software. Now again we are going to click on plus icon next to software asset and we will give the name as unlicensed software and description again unlicensed software. Now let's click on create. Here make sure the icon is software installer. Click on create. This is done. Under software asset, we have licensed software and unlicensed software. Now let's create asset objects, and we expand software asset, click licensed software, and then click on create an object. Here we need to select licensed, and we'll give the name as Microsoft Office 365, and we'll click on create. So in the inventory, I have licensed software. In licensed software, I have Microsoft Office 365. So we have created software assets. What you will maintain as a software asset? Licensed software, unlicensed software. So licensed software, I have a list of this. Now we'll click on unlicensed software, and then we'll click on create an object. Create object, give the name as VLC Media Player. Click on create. So we have unlicensed software. Now let's move ahead and perform next step. Under models, we have models. Click on plus sign, and here we will give the name as network model. We'll change the icon to network, and parent would be models. I will give over here network models. Network model only. Click on create. We have network model. Now on network model that we have created, click on these three dots, go to object type setting, click on inheritance, select pass all attribute to child object type, and select set this object as abstract. Go back to network module. We are over here. Now let's create network switch child object. Under asset management, we are over here in hardware asset. Under models, we have network model. Okay. In network model, we are going to click on plus sign. The moment you bring it over here on network model, plus sign, and we will add the name as switch icon. We are going to add switch, and description is network switch. Click on create. Similarly, we will add another type. On network model, click on plus, and this time we are going to add network firewall. Icon would be firewall, network firewall only, network firewall device only. Device, network firewall device only. Okay. Click on create. It's done. So we have created network firewall, we have created switch. Now let's move ahead and perform next step. We are now going to click on network switch, and we are going to first start with network firewall. Click on network firewall, click on create an object, and here we are going to give the name, we will give the name Palo Alto Firewall. Click on create. Similarly, we will click on network switch, create an object, and we will name it as Cisco Meraki switch. Click on create. This is done. What we did in this scenario so far, we have created asset management schema, a structure, and then we have added software asset. We have categorized software asset as licensed and unlicensed. We gave licensed as M365, unlicensed as VLC Media Player. With that, we have created network module in which we have network switch, network firewall. In network switch, we give Cisco Meraki, and in network firewall, we give Palo Alto firewall. With this, we have completed this scenario. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.